a juvenile's e-bike.
Oh.
Okay. You remember that?
No.
You remember jumping on an e-bike?
No, I don't.
Huh?
I'll tell you where the bike's at.
This, the damage, same damage.
On the 4th of February 2026, at a Tampa commercial corridor, a serial theft suspect was apprehended with 2 active warrants. Today's retail theft triggers Florida statute 812-0142. Petite theft, first degree, a first-degree misdemeanor. If the total merchandise reaches $750, it becomes grand theft, a third-degree felony. The stolen e-bike is a separate charge. Modern e-bikes frequently exceed that threshold, making the bike theft a felony as well.
If you recognize him, he took a bottle from last week.
Okay.
But I haven't been able to pull that up on the camera. But I can show you what I got from today.
Okay.
But I don't really recognize him. As you know, I've only been here about 6 months. So
Right.
I don't know. He could be a regular, but
Hello, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
that's what I got here. Would you like a chair?
I'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just take a quick photo.
Yeah, of course. And I got one more next to it too. You can swipe between the two.
Okay.
Zoom. Feel free to zoom in and all that.
And then, do you know how much he stole?
I can get you an estimate, but I don't have a definitive.
Okay.
Because we didn't recover any of it.
Okay.
He took it all with him.
Okay. Yeah, that looks like a decent amount right there.
Yeah, he got a lot of stuff.
Okay.
All right. So.
Cool. Yes.
Hey, good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well. I have everyone texting me asking for this guy's photo. I just sent it to him. You can text him and ask him for it.
Okay, because I just saw some guy here, so yeah, let me text him.
Yeah, it's white male.
He was on a black bike.
He was on a black bike, black sunglasses, shaggy brown hair, long sleeve gray shirt, khaki pants, black shoes. He looks like he has a bandage on one of his legs, but I can't tell.
So, do you have it? Because I think it might be him.
Yeah,
I'm going to get a picture. Yes,
yeah, I'm sending it to you right now. Bye.
And I got a picture of him and his bike too.
Oh, perfect.
That's what he left on, and he headed towards Kennedy.
Towards Kennedy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can definitely get you a receipt. I just can't be definitive about it.
That's fine.
It's definitely over 100 though.
Definitely over 100. Okay.
All right, so movie time.
Okay, movie time. My favorite time. My favorite part.
Dim the lights. All right, here we go. So this is when he had just come in.
Mm-hmm.
So he's got 2 reusable bags here that he grabbed from the front. I mean, if it's okay, I'll just start from here.
That's fine. Yeah, just so we can see the walkthrough.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I got all the tabs there. So the only thing he grabbed from here was like a bottle of rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
And over and around this way, over to...
I have this. Do you, by chance, from everything, you think it's approximately $100?
Over.
Over $100.
Yeah, at least the least would be 100. Because between the wipes, all those prepared foods, the meat, those boxes of chocolates are like $12-15 each. It's definitely gonna be over 100.
Okay. All right.
I can put together a receipt for you.
If you can, that's great. If not, no worries. I know at least it's at least $100.
Yeah, I can put together a receipt with the items that I know specifically, and then I can make an estimation for like the department items for the rest. Just as long as you're aware that it's an estimation.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be sure unless I could get the product back. I could scan it. But
Right. Yeah. No, I understand.
if it makes it easier for you, I can get you that itemized receipt in a minute.
Literally in a minute?
Literally.
If you want to do that right
Yeah,
now, yeah. I'm just
So
writing
you
down
can take it with
notes. Yeah, I'm just writing down notes right now, and then I'll pull out a business card for you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and then that's yours. I'll give that back to you.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Of course.
You just get here if you don't mind for a minute. I'll be right back. Sure. Absolutely.
8-7 switching to 2. What's going on?
Attorney's on your back. 9-2, come on. Put me on a separate call, same location, 62 subject, 1 in custody.
The first constitutional issue, Miranda. Custody was confirmed before questioning began. Miranda v. Arizona requires 4 warnings before custodial interrogation silence. Use of statements. Right to attorney. Right to appointed counsel. In Rhode Island v. Innis, the court defined interrogation as direct questioning or its functional equivalent. Where's the e-bike at qualifies on both. No audible Miranda warning appears on this footage before that question. The second issue, the cell phone. Riley v. California, 2014. A unanimous Supreme Court decision held that the digital contents of a phone cannot be searched incident to arrest without a warrant. The officer examines the suspect's phone while he is in custody, with no visible warrant and no documented consent on footage. If that search accessed digital content, any evidence found is suppressible under the exclusionary rule established in Mapp v. Ohio.
You got 2 warrants for theft. Where's the e-bike at?
What e-bike?
That you stole from TJ Maxx.
I have an e-bike from TJ Maxx.
Alright, so you were caught on video. You were caught on camera last week taking an e-bike. It was a juvenile's e-bike.
Oh.
Okay. Remember that?
No.
You remember jumping on an e-bike?
No, I don't.
Alright. I'll show you the photo then. There's one, it's my nephew's bike, so.
Oh, wow.
You just tell me where the bike is so I can get the bike, give it back to him. That's fine. You don't got nothing in this car?
I just drink on it? Oh, my soda.
Give me a second. Remember this?
Looks like me, but
On Sunday?
Sunday. Looks like me.
It's not you.
Huh?
It's 100% you.
Yeah? I don't think so. Have a drink out of my water. I'll tell you where the bike's at.
Huh?
I'll tell you where the bike's at.
Alright, where's it at?
It's up by Doubletree.
Doubletree where?
It's right off to the side of the Doubletree, in the bushes over there.
Like where by Doubletree? Like if you pull into Doubletree?
Pull right into the front of Doubletree right there. It's on your right hand side.
On the right hand side. All right.
Yep. Cover Street now.
Yeah, I got you. Appreciate it. Quick cigarette?
Yeah, please. Thank you so much.
A lot of work.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Might not be working, my man. Let me see, I might have one in there. Yeah, not working.
I can use that shit.
Alright, we can walk back now. Let's get this one.
Going on. Yeah, looks like the one.
picture?
Yeah. There's the black box underneath.
But there's also 100 of these, so I don't.
Okay, that's fine. Another. See, there's this.
Tape.
Looks the same. This, the damage, same damage. You see this here matches to
The wire hanging? Same thing?
Yep, there it is.
Alright, so this has got to be his bike.
So now we want to put gloves and just run a VIN. Let's do this. Let's go off and call her and let her know that what you got.
Under United States v. Patane, 2004, physical evidence from a voluntary but unmirandized statement remains admissible. The Fifth Amendment bars the statement, not the physical object. Under Nix v. Williams, in 1984, inevitably discoverable evidence is admissible regardless. The bike's independent identification through matching damage patterns, black box, and hanging wire gives prosecutors both doctrines as a foundation independent of the Miranda question entirely. Under Colorado v. Connelly, 1986, a statement is involuntary only when government coercion overcomes the will of the suspect. A water offer is not coercion. The disclosure was voluntary. More importantly, the bike's physical identification matching damage patterns, black box, and hanging wire confirmed on camera establishes corpus delicti independent of any statement. Even if every statement is suppressed, the physical evidence stands. The officer receives a B+, thorough victim documentation, evidence collection, and de-escalation. 2 deductions, no audible Miranda warning before custodial questioning, and a phone examination without visible warrant create suppression exposure. The suspect receives a D-, serial theft, 2 active warrants, stole from a child, denied his own surveillance image. Cooperating to disclose the bike location is the only mitigating factor. 3 takeaways. First, Miranda attaches when custody is confirmed not at booking. Questioning before warnings risks suppression regardless of apparent voluntariness. Second, Riley v. California is absolute phone contents require a warrant or documented consent. No incident to arrest exception exists. Third, physical evidence can survive Miranda under Patane when the disclosure was voluntary and the evidence is independently identifiable. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. If this investigation raised questions about Miranda procedure, cell phone search law, or the physical evidence exceptions under Patane and Nix v. Williams, the resources in our description go deeper. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.